This is question number 10B from model question paper. And the question is very interesting. It is on McDonald's fast food company. And the question is asking for explanation or analysis of how McDonald can efficiently handle sustainable number of orders. Sustainable number of daily orders, especially since the company expanded its services to include home deliveries. And the inquiry highlights the growth in McDonald's operations, emphasizing the development of platform that integrates local restaurants and collaborate with the delivery partner like Uber Eats, delivery partners like Uber Eats, Swiggy, Zomato. And the question specifically mentioned the platform's ability to scale up 20,000 orders per second. 20,000 orders per second and integrate seamlessly with global partners. The intended response would involve discussing the key factors, strategies, what strategy it is using, and technologies, what technology it is using that enable McDonald's to effectively manage, process such high volume of daily orders. Okay, so there are a number of strategies that McDonald could use to manage high volume of orders every day. In that, the first one is automation. So what is automation? Automation at McDonald means using machines and computers to make the task easier and faster. For instance, instead of people taking orders and keeping the track of what is available, McDonald can use automated system. This system can take orders from the customers, and these systems create a bill and keep an eye on ingredients what they have in a stock. So this helps McDonald's to serve customers quickly, efficiently, without relying entirely on a manual work. So that is about automation. This is one strategy it is using. The next strategy is load balancing. Load balancing for McDonald's is like making sure everyone gets their food on time and no one server or kitchen is overwhelmed. So imagine if one kitchen had to handle all orders, it would be difficult. So load balancing is like having someone smartly distribute the orders so that each kitchen gets share and making the whole process smooth and efficient. So that is load balancing. So next it is using one of the strategy that is caching. So caching for McDonald is like having quick access memory. So when a lot of people order the same thing often, instead of looking up the recipe or details every time, McDonald can store that information in a fast access place called a cache. So when someone orders a popular item, McDonald can quickly grab the details from the cache and making the whole process faster and smoother without putting too much of a strain on their system. So that is about caching. Next strategy is database. So absolutely, the database for McDonald are like organizing the filing system for all the important information they need to run smoothly. They use different type of database. They use different type of database like MySQL, MongoDB. So these two you should write in exam database to store and manage these manage the things like orders, what ingredients they have, what information, what is the information about their customers. Everything is stored in these databases. It is like having nearly or neatly labeled folders for different kinds of information, and making it easy for McDonald's to find what they need quickly and keep everything order. So all these strategies makes the McDonald to scale its system and process to handle the increased demand. So these are all the important strategy it is using. So automation, load balancing, caching, and database. Next, it is using some techniques, that is technology infrastructure. In order to manage high volume of orders, it uses some technology infrastructure. So under that category, the first one is robust ordering system. So in robust ordering system, exactly the robust ordering system for McDonald is like having a super smart assistant at the front counter. So this system is not just quick, it is also really smart. It can handle a lot of people ordering at the same time without getting confused. So when you and many orders are placing orders, this system is quick on its quick and make sure everything is accurate and in order, and it is like high speed, you can say butler for your Big Mac and fries. So that is a robust ordering system. It is called as a robust ordering system. Next technique it is using cloud computing. The cloud-based cloud computing for McDonald is like renting extra kitchen space when they need it. Instead of having only one kitchen to cook for everyone, they can use the cloud, which is like virtual kitchen. When there are lot of orders, they can quickly rent more virtual kitchen space, and when it's not so busy, they can use what they need. It is like having a kitchen that can magically change its size based on how many orders they get, and making everyone more flexible and efficient. Next is global integration. So global integration for McDonald is like speaking the same language with friends all around the world. McDonald and its delivery buddies are like Uber Eats, Zomato, need to understand each other perfectly. It is like having universal translator, but for computer system. This way, when someone orders a Big Mac in one part of the world, the information flows smoothly to the right places. Make sure everyone gets their meal just they like it, no matter where they are. So this is called global integration. Next technique is under the category optimized supply chain. So under optimized supply chain, efficient inventory management, this technique it is using. So efficient inventory management for McDonald is like keeping the kitchen stocked with just the right amount of ingredients. Imagine you are cooking at home and you know exactly how many potatoes you have for fries, and how much meat for burger, and so on. McDonald does the same thing, but on how much bigger scale. They make sure every restaurant has the right amount of ingredients at all times. So when you order, they can quickly put together your favorite meal without any delays. So it is like having perfectly organized pantry on a global level. Next is delivery. Next technique is delivery logistic. So under that, the partnership with the delivery services. Partnership with the delivery services for McDonald are like having friends with super fast bikes who can deliver your favorite meals to your doorstep. McDonald joins forces with the companies like Uber Eats, Swiggy, Zomato. These friends already know the roads, have cool delivery bags, and can quickly bring your order wherever you are. It is like expanding the McDonald's delivery team by teaming up with experts who know the neighborhoods inside out. Make sure your food arrives hot and fresh no matter where you are. Next important is data analytics. Data analytics demand forecasting for the McDonald's is like having crystal balls for burgers and fries. They use really a smart computer programs that can predict when and where people will be hungry. It is not a magic. It's analytics and a machine learning working together. So when lot of people are likely to order, McDonald is ready with enough food and staff. It is like knowing the future demand for your favorite meals, making sure there is always enough to go around without any surprises. So next important technique is quality control. So under quality control, the first one is standardization. McDonald maintains strict standard for a food quality and preparation across its outlets globally. So they will not compromise the quality of the food. They will have their own standards. So consistently in products delivered to the customers. Quality assurance, regular audits and quality checks are likely to place to maintain food safety and quality standards. Then they give training on for employees also. It is under the category employee training. So efficient staff training for McDonald is like teaching team to assemble burgers and fries at the lightning speed. Every staff member is trained to be a food superhero, making sure they know exactly how to take orders, how to cook, and how to serve quickly and accurately. It is like having well-practiced team that can handle rush of hungry customers without breaking sweet. So in this way, they give the training for the staff. And last one, continuous improvement. Under this, they will take the feedback. A feedback mechanism for McDonald is like having suggestion box that customers can use to share their food, and customers use to share their thoughts. McDonald wants to know how they can make your experience even better. So they have ways for you to tell them what you like, what could be improved. It is like having a direct line to the people in charge, helping McDonald's learn from your experience and make tasty improvement for everyone. By combining all these strategies, McDonald's can manage high volume of orders each day while maintaining the quality, maintaining the efficiency, and maintaining the customer satisfaction. So this is the answer for question number 10B.